Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am going to Chennai Pallavaram Friday Market. Wow, wonderful food. Pani Puri, very tasty food, spicy food. This is automatic Pani Puri machines. Super business idea. More income, regular income. One plate Pani Puri price just 30 rupees only. Three types of spicy juices. First type Malli Rasam. Second type Pudina Rasam. Third type Inipu Rasam. Super food. Thanks to all.